Here, in the heart of the dense bamboo groves, we find the raw material essential for countless industries. The sheer scale of the bamboo makes it one of the most versatile raw materials on Earth.
In its natural state, the bamboo leaf collects the morning dew, essential for the plant's hydration in the soft morning light.
Examining the raw structure of the bamboo, we can see the incredible strength woven into its natural patterns.
Captured in extreme slow motion, the saw blade completes its journey, and the bamboo fibers finally yield, initiating the moment of transformation.
In this grove, nature meets industry. The freshly cut bamboo is meticulously organized.
All right, push it over. Almost there. Lowering now, stand clear. All right, lift it up, watch the edge. Got it, lowering now. Set it down easy.
Inside this massive facility, raw bamboo stalks begin their journey through the industrial cutting machines. In this factory, the cutting machine processes hundreds of bamboo sections every minute, a relentless pace of accumulation. The raw bamboo enters the chipper, instantly transformed into uniform chips, ready for the next stage of production.
The conveyor belt moves the freshly cut bamboo chips, highlighting their fibrous texture and cross-sections as they fall.
The raw bamboo chips begin their journey, flowing steadily along the main conveyor belt deep within the processing facility. This is the material entry phase. Raw bamboo chips are rapidly poured into high-pressure hot water, preparing them for the next stage of production.
Submerged in the boiling water, the raw bamboo chips begin to break down, releasing their chemical components in a dramatic reaction. The raw bamboo chips react violently with the solution, initiating the delignification process crucial for fiber separation.
The agitator spins rapidly, thoroughly mixing the bamboo fibers with the gray liquor to create the initial pulp slurry.
At a molecular level, the green solution begins to dissolve the lignin, causing the fibers to separate and become pliable.
This thick slurry is the byproduct of the initial digestion phase, now rapidly pumped toward the filtration system for purification. The pulp continues to flow steadily into the tank, the volume rising rapidly as the process continues uninterrupted. Temperature and texture are monitored closely. These probes ensure the mixture remains within strict parameters, guaranteeing quality control in every batch. Inside this facility, the purification infrastructure operates on a massive scale, processing thousands of liters of pulp every minute.
To ensure maximum purity, the fibers undergo a rigorous washing cycle, agitated gently in crisp.
The cleaning process begins as the raw fibers are submerged in specialized washing solution across multiple stages. The purification process completes here. The fibers are now a pristine, bright white, ready for the next stage of production. Utilizing mechanical drying assistance, the airflow ensures the fibers are evenly dried before the next stage of production.
Utilizing advanced heat. Here we see the crucial step of collecting the dried bamboo fibers before they are spun into thread.
Inside the factory, thousands of spindles spin continuously, transforming the raw material into usable textile fibers. The bamboo fibers are rapidly drawn into the mechanism, compressed and spun, beginning the critical transformation process.
This is phase 9. The bamboo yarn is complete and organized, ready for the dye vats. The shear volume is immense.
The automated system carefully lifts the yarn spools, preparing them for the pressurized dyeing machines, where the color will be fixed.
This mesmerizing spectrum represents the critical first stage of manufacturing, where raw pigments are transformed.
The initial submersion begins as the white bamboo yarn starts its transformation, rapidly absorbing the vibrant blue pigment.
The swirling blue solution begins to saturate the threads, penetrating deep into the yarn fibers at a molecular level.
The mechanical dyeing process ensures perfect color saturation. As the yarn slowly rotates through the vat,